How to remove and install a serpentine belt for a 2015 Mercedes-Benz ML350. Okay, first of all, let's draw a diagram just in case you don't remember. This is a crankshaft, tensioner, idler, water pump, power steering, alternator, and the AC. The tensioner is right here, 17 millimeter. Use a 17 millimeter right there with a short extension. All right, you're gonna start from here. All right, right like in the middle, and push down to loosen it. All right, that's serpentine belt. I already did. This is a new one. I put it on. All right. The first, before do all these, remove the air duct. All right, the air duct right here. Remove that first. So you got room here. It's a very roomy. This is an easy job. Okay. So you press it down, all the way down, and pull this out to loosen it. To install exactly the same way, you route it first. All right, from here. To start from here, the alternator, and go up and route it over to the idler and coming down to the AC compressor and coming over and put this right on top of the water pump. All right, then come over and actually before you push this, this is only halfway. So once you push the tensioner down, you can put this over right onto the tensioner. That's how you do it. And I'm already down. All right. And the belt is not bad actually. It's on the car. It's only about 45,000 miles, but it's a regular maintenance. You better do it, but then sorry, later on you broke the belt in the middle of the somewhere. No need, it's cheap. Just replace it. Thank you for watching.